Hey there, welcome back guys. Today's going to be the final video, part 3, in the 3-part series on how to reset everything so that you can sell your DJI, whether it's the Mini 3 Pro, whether it's the Mavic 3, etc. So now what we're going to do in this part of the video, we're going to reset the drone back to factory default. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that the RC is on. We're going to turn that on. And then you want to get your drone. Just don't leave it hanging around. And of course you want to turn the drone on. Okay, we'll let this turn on. The propellers just, as you know, do that. Maybe you just bought it from Amazon and just having second thoughts. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to get your remote, right? And of course, put down the drone so that you can have two hands. You just basically, the drone can just stay laying. All right, so you're going to be in camera mode. You're going to see what your drone sees. Okay, so you will be in camera mode. You'll see what the drone sees. The gimbal protector is on. That's why everything looks a little blurry. But now, as you can see, everything is clearer. So what you want to do is you want to click on the 3 little dots. Okay. Oops. 3 little dots. About. Okay. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. And what you're going to do is you're going to say reset all. Okay. That means it's going to wipe everything. Reset all settings to default and restart aircraft. The answer to that is yes. Okay. It's going to reset all settings, and then after that we're going to clear all data. Reset successful. Aircraft will restart soon. Okay, aircraft should be restarting. I guess the only way to tell, hasn't restarted yet. Oh, there we go. It's rebooting. And then now what we want to do after it does that, any minute, any day, usually the reboot happens really fast. Okay, there we go. We're going to scroll down again. If it lets us, we'll just go back. Sometimes it doesn't. Okay, just click on About, and we're going to go clear all data. So this is what's going to happen. Data in aircraft, internal storage. Okay, so your flight logs will be logged. Aircraft logs are going to be gone. Unlocking licenses. So if you wanted to fly in a restricted airspace, if that unlock was on the drone, it's going to be gone, which is a good thing because you don't want someone else flying your flight plan that was approved by the FAA or DJI, because either way they get approved, right? Other user data stored on the aircraft. Okay, this is on the aircraft, and now we're going to clear it. Any minute, any day. And this is great when you want to sell it, because this way you don't have to worry about any of your data being left on there. You know, of course, it's a sad moment because, you know, through the years, the times, the moments you shared, right? Up in the air, in the sky. Okay, cleared successfully. Aircraft will restart soon. Click OK, and you can tell it's still sleeping when everything's in black and white. Thankfully, oh, it's still recording, which is really cool, because remember, we're resetting the drone, not the RC. The RC was in the second video, I believe. Okay. This should happen really fast. This video is going to be really short. And that's it. It's all done. So now, of course, your flight logs will still be there if they were uploaded into the sky, but they're no longer on the drone, so that's disappeared. But if you want to, you can always go back, right? And if you're not happy with what's up there on the cloud, you just click more, right? And you can just, let's see, I don't know, was there a short flight? I guess a 1-minute flight really isn't anything. You can just delete it like that. And then you can just 64, let's see, yep, that's gone too. That's it. So now you know your hours are shorter. All right, that pretty much sums it up for this video. Now your drone is ready to be sold in the market. Just remember, cash for goods, bind and fly. Always do a bind and fly deal. This way, they'll never call you back. You know, you set it up, of course, at a location ideal where you can fly, and then when you leave with your cash, and of course, they take your stash. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.